Okay, just last week I was doing a new video. I was shooting using my old DSLR, which is the Canon 500D, and it is like more than 10 years ago, and I realized that the video, which is at 1080p, is only using a frame rate of 20 frames per second. And of course, to my surprise, after shooting and everything, when I do the editing and doing the exporting and seeing the final results, it's like the whole video is the slideshow, which is quite ridiculous. So that prompts me to consider getting a new camera, because I want to do a more professional type of video, which uses like maybe more shallow depth of field and giving more high quality feel to my videos. So I considered and finally came to a conclusion that I need to get a new one, because I'll be doing this probably in the long run. And I've chosen the Panasonic GH5, and this is it. It's finally here after a couple of days wait, so pardon the delay for the video. I've sort of broken the seal already, but I've not opened the box yet, so let's see how it goes. Lots of manual. This is the one that comes with the kit lens of the, I think it's 16 to 35, if I'm not wrong, or is it 17? Sorry, it's 12 to 35, 2.8. So this is the lens. And this is the camera. Okay, unwrapping. Ta-da! Comes with a strap as well. Cables and chargers and everything inside. So this is going to be my new toy. I'm going to take a while to learn how to use this, and I'll probably use this for my next video, so give it some time. Alright, and hope to see you soon. And this is E Minor out. See ya.